It was at that moment, that morning, he had heard the song and he knew what his video idea would be for the day. He heard that song in his head and he thought, I know my video idea for today. But the problem is, when he opened up DaVinci Resolve, he realized that this is actually a pretty crappy video idea. How can you stretch this into more than 3 minutes? How can you make this advertiser friendly? There's absolutely no way that this is ever going to work. What gave him the idea of making a video out of this? I don't know. It's one of those videos this is why Shorts was invented, guys, because this was never meant to be a long form video. Maybe the idea was just good, but the execution not so much, right? But anyway, there you go. There's your funny TFR joke for the week. You're gonna get a funny TFR joke every single week, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that. Check out my merch. My merch is so comfortable I can mow the lawn in 90-degree weather with it. I absolutely love the merch that I sell. You guys should check it out. See you guys in the next one. JordanJJereb signing off.